Most people spend their entire lives trying to protect their skin. But when you have nothing but glowing bones, you don't play by the rules of ordinary men. You rule them. Welcome to my world, where even a midnight bath costs more than your entire life savings. They think they can catch me off guard. They think a weapon made of steel can destroy a mind made of pure strategy. Idiots. Go ahead, run. You're just running straight into my trap. Break the lock all you want, my friend, but you forgot one tiny detail. Your head is now perfectly aligned with my barrel paws. Ha ha ha. Did you really think you were the hunter? Next in line, please. Bullseye. Death always finds those who seek it. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and my penthouse needs a serious clean-up. Boys, take the trash out. It's ruining the aesthetic of my Italian marble. Fix this glass. Make it bulletproof. Make it solid enough to withstand a missile. Fear. Fear is an illusion for those who have a pulse. Remember, in a world full of weapons, the most dangerous thing is a fearless mind.